Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be showing you how to use your Ninja Creami Deluxe to make a Creamiccino. That's my cat. Yep, it's just a Frappuccino. So you ready? Let's get into this. For this recipe we need some hot coffee, some monk fruit sweetener, a little bit of heavy whipping cream, some zero sugar chocolate syrup, and a little bit of Kroger Vanilla Carb Master milk.
If you want to try out this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the carbohydrates, and the fat.
For the Creamiccino, the first thing we have to do is prepare the base. The one thing about these Ninja Creamis is that everything has to be frozen overnight before you can use it, so probably going to want to do a few of these ahead of time. That way you can have your coffee when you want to drink it. The first thing we'll put into the creamy pint is the monk fruit sweetener. So that'll go in just like that. And then we're pouring in our coffee. Remember, we're going to be using hot coffee here, fresh brewed. You want that coffee to be hot because you want it to dissolve the sweetener as much as you possibly can here. So we'll mix that up really good, make sure that sweetener dissolves in there fully. And once you got that dissolved fully, we're going to pour in our Carb Master milk. You can see some drinkable measurements here on the side of the Creami. We don't want to fill above the freeze fill line here with this milk. So we'll go ahead and pour that in. Then you'll go ahead and give this a quick mix, throw the lid on, and then we're going to want to freeze this for 24 hours. As you can see, I've already done that. Once you got your base frozen and out of the freezer, we can go ahead and make our whipped cream. You can just use regular store-bought whipped cream. Ready Whip makes a zero sugar version, but I always like to make it fresh. Either way, it's up to you. Also, with a sweet drink, a lot of people won't sweeten the whipped cream, otherwise it might make the entire thing too sweet. If you're the kind of person that likes sweet whipped cream on top, then we're going to go ahead and add in a little bit of monk fruit sweetener into this. Not a ton, just want enough to flavor it a little bit. Or you can leave it out altogether, and you're probably better off, to be honest. If you don't have an immersion blender like me, you can just use a whisk, or you can use a mixer. Either way, works out just fine. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. And that'll come out looking about like that. Immersion blenders work really, really well. If you don't have one, I'd recommend you get one. Now that we have that whipped cream made, we can go ahead and finish this up. So we take off the lid here, and then we're going to top this off with some room temperature or cold coffee up to the pour-in line right here. Be careful not to go above this line. Bad things happen if you do that. So we'll go ahead and top this off here. Then we'll set this in the pitcher. Snap on the lid, slide it in the machine and lock it into place. And then we can make our Creamiccino. So we're going to put this on full. We're going to slide this over to the Creamiccino setting right here. And then all we got to do is go ahead and start her up. And once that gets finished, we can go ahead and serve this up. Let's see how this looks. And it looks good. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about Joe's Phenomenal, you can watch a couple more videos, or you can check us out online at joesphenomenal.com. If you're into frozen coffee drinks, I think you're really going to love it. If you want a little bit more information about the Ninja Creami Deluxe, we do have an Amazon link to it down in the description of the video. It is an affiliate link, so if you purchase from that link, we do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay at all. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch this video. It really means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you back again here really soon. So until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.